From Capitol Hill to the capital city, Dr. Deborah Birx of the White House Coronavirus Task Force making her way to the natural state today.
She led a roundtable discussion with state leaders and health officials about the state's response to the coronavirus, and they covered a lot of ground. Our Jay Burr was there. He joins us now live to tell us what was discussed. Jay?
Yeah, good evening, guys. As you mentioned, Dr. Birx in town today. She's been making her way across the country, and Arkansas was her 19th stop on that tour just around the country. And she says she likes to get out and get some feedback on White House guidelines, and she also likes to go over the states, individual states, what their plans are to combat COVID-19. White House Coronavirus Response Coordinator Dr. Deborah Birx believes that Arkansas is beginning to show improvement.
We're beginning to see that improvement because we think that the people of Arkansas are following the important common sense path forward to get control of this virus.
Much like Governor Hutchinson has said, Dr. Birx thinks the White House is not seeing spread from restrictions that have been lifted in states.
We're finding that the majority of community spread right now is happening from parties. Everyone believes that there's no one there that has COVID, and yet there is someone there who has the virus.
Arkansas is only a week away from starting school, and Dr. Birx says she likes how the state has given guidance to districts in order for them to tailor their response plans specifically.
We also have to have the parents and the adults in the communities making good judgments of how they prevent community spread in their communities so that children don't go to school already infected because of what has happened in their community.
Dr. Birx says it's been tough for governors across the nation to enforce policies to help stop the spread, a big reason why she is out on the ground.
It can't just be a one-way where I send out recommendations and policies and I don't hear back from the reality on the ground and what people are actually seeing. Asking people to change behavior, you have to meet them where they are. And so I've tried to really carry the message of this is what we know works and this is what we know will stop the cases of the virus.
Now, Dr. Birx says Arkansas's surge plan for testing is a good one. In fact, she says the federal government is also working with some of those laboratories in order to get more supplies out and also to speed up those turnaround times. And the government is looking at also how to better feature some different forms of testing. Governor Hutchinson has mentioned antigen testing that he would like to use because of those quick turnarounds. Dr. Birx also alluding to the fact that there might be a saliva test hopefully coming out, and then we'll see how effective that'll be. And they're hoping to roll that out by September. Live from the governor's mansion, Jay Burr, Fox 16 News.
All right, Jay, thank you. 412 News.